And now the news in detail. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC Deputy Chief Executive Member in Charge Law Pinsngan N. Siem today inspected the office of KHADC Mawkyrwat branch with the intention to strengthen the District Council Court here in Mawkyrwat, Southwest Khasi Hills District. Speaking to media persons after meeting with the officials, Siem said that the creation of separate District Council Court here in the KHADC Mawkyrwat branch has eased the problems faced by the people of the district who have to deal with cases under the District Council Court. Siem informed that the main objective of his inspection today was to strengthen the District Council Court here in Mawkyrwat.
Namar bang atai pi sutu iba ka jingdon juga di Council Court kala erap sibun na kabta ipai ba nung sinong hari kasi jungi hoi ki jingdon juga si RPC man gani ka ba sorkar ka penaban pendirikan ka si RPC ru inang ya kan ba ka sorkar pala kumnu kies ke bedi hapdeng ki tribal hi la kumnu de ban transfer be ha ka di Council Court but nata dawngi sudon kam ban pen klanya ki kut aman lagi di kota